Hello everyone, my name is Binia. I have more than 5 years experience on mathematics. Today we will do together two questions how to solve this equation. I am going to explain clearly and simply this maths. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Stay with together up to the end. Don't forget to comment, like, share it. Let's go with together. The question is this one. As you see, the question is 1x squared is equals to 121 and the radical b is equals to 4. A minus b is how much? The question is a minus b is how much? Firstly, we find the value of a, after that the value of b, then finally a minus b is how much? It is very easy, simple. Let's do this together. Okay, we start from the value of a, finding from the value of a square is equals to 121 means a is equals to under radical 121. Yes. When we this number from the square root to the outside to become what? 11. 11. Yes. What is the value of a? The value of a is 11. Okay, we got the value of a. After that, we find the value of b. Under radical b is equals to 4. Okay, for this reason, to eradicate or to cancel the under radical, we use the power of 2. The power of 2 rule. This one is a rule. This rule to become cancel this root. After that, b is equals to 4 is when 4 the power of 2 means 16. 4 times 4 means 16. Yes, we got the value of b. The value of b is how much? 16. After that, finally, a minus b means how much? How much the value of a? The value of a is 11. The value of b is 16. 16. After that, when we subtract this number from each other, we find how much? 5. 5. We got how much? 5. The answer is 5. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. If you have suggestion, comment. You can give for me. Let's do the next question. The next question is, looks like this one. The question x plus y is equals to 16. X minus y is equals to 14. X minus 3y is how much? We ask the value. Firstly, we find the value of x. After that, the value of y. For this reason, we do like this one. We use elimination method. Do you know elimination method? Don't subscribe it. I will show you in next class. No matter. We use elimination method. For this reason, firstly, we write the question x plus y is equals to 16. 60. After that, x minus y is equals to 40. After that, we sum up all of. Let we sum up. Summation. We use summation. X plus x means how much? 2x. Y plus minus y means 0. We got 0. After that, 60 plus 40 means 100. Letter all, 2x is equals to 100 over 2 divided over 2 to find the value of x. 2 is cancel to each other. After that, x is how much? 15. 50. 50. And the value of x we got after that, no matter, let's do, we use 1 from this, we can use the 1. Let we take this one, the second, or the first, no matter. Let we use the first. X plus y is equals to 16. We got the value of x. For this reason, replace into the x. X is how much? 15 plus y is equals to 16. 60. Excuse me for my pronunciation, no matter. Y is equals to 60 minus 50. We transfer this 50 to the another side. During this, it becomes subtraction or minus. That the value of y is how much? 10. We got 10. The value of y. We got the value of y is 10. After that, we got the value of x, the value of y. The question is, x minus 3y is how much? Our target question is this one. During this, we got the value of x, how much? 15. 15. 15. Excuse me. X is how much? 15 minus 3 y 10 is equals to 15 minus 3 times 10 means 13. Yeah, 13. After that, 50 minus 30 means 20. The answer is 20. Thank you. Stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe. I will show you the money mathematics about calculus, integration, limit, and others. Don't forget to subscribe. I am more than 5 years experienced on this mathematics. Always my funny field subject mathematics means. Today we have seen about this all. Thank you. Have a nice mathematics.